Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick, easy, moist carrot cake squares. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So I'm starting off with some cake flour, and then to that I'm just going to add some baking powder. Then I'm going to go on ahead and flavor our flour, and I'm starting off with some mixed spices. Then I'm gonna go on ahead and add some nutmeg. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add some cinnamon. So these three spices combined is what gives our carrot cake this nice spicy flavor that we all love. And then I'm just going to mix that so that we can evenly distribute these spices in our flour. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, and then I'm also going to mix that up just to evenly distribute that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead to our wet ingredients. I've got some eggs and I've just added some oil, and then you're gonna mix this up until your eggs have that consistency. So you want to make sure that your eggs and oil actually mix to a certain degree. And then we're going to add some vanilla essence, and we're gonna give that a quick mix just to distribute the essence with the eggs. And then we're gonna go on ahead and add our milk. You're gonna give that a mix. So we're going to go back to our dry mixture, and then we're going to be adding some raisins and a little bit of some almonds. You can also add some cashew or walnuts, and then I'm also adding the carrots. So when it comes to the additional things that you're going to add, limit yourself to a half a cup of everything combined. So you can add 2/4 cups like I did, or just a half a cup. And then after you've mixed that, you're going to allow your cake mixture to sit, just so that your raisins can absorb some of the moisture and become pulp. And this is the type of texture or consistency that we're looking for on our dough mixture. So I've greased my pan, and I'm just going to add the baking mixture, and we're going to bake this for 30 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. So once it pops out of our oven, we're going to allow it to cool down, and then once it has cooled down, we can then cut it up into even squares or whatever shape or size that you prefer to eat your carrot cake with. And the reason why we're not icing this is because it's winter now, and we just want to have some slices of cake to have with our tea or coffee in the morning or later in the day. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like this video, and share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.